welcome to Jasmine's kitchen. Today's special guest is Mommy. What are we making today? We're going to make Thai sticky rice with mango. So first of all, we're gonna start with making rice. Okay, still sour. Okay, at first we need to cook rice. We already soaked the rice overnight. This is the secret. To make a sticky rice, you have to soak the rice. No. It's uncooked rice. Can't eat that. Okay, first step, put the rice in the microwave. We're gonna put sticky rice in the microwave for 10 minutes. Next, we're going to make coconut sauce. This is mommy version. This is a kid version.